Okay, let's do a couple more example of use substitution for solving integration. So in this case we have integral of 1 over 1 plus ex dx, and if we try to replace or let 1 or u equals to 1 plus ex directly, it's going to be a problem because the derivative of that is e to the power of x, so it's not one of the terms in the equation. So therefore we need to change, we need to change the equation in such a way that if we take the derivative of one of the terms, numerator and denominator, will be one of them, the result of the derivative. So I suggest we're going to try modify the equation to something like this by multiplying e to the power of negative x times e to the power x, same thing, which is equivalent to 1. And the reason for that is we're going to change the numerator here to become e to the negative ex, and therefore it can be used for u substitution. So this will become e to the minus x plus e to the power 0, which is equivalent to 1. So this becomes e to the x over e to the minus x plus 1. And now we can let u to be e to the negative x plus 1, because if we take the derivative of u with respect to x, will be e to the negative x, which is the terms in the equation. So now we change the equations. Okay, let's write it here. So integral of 1 plus e to the x dx equals to integral, since we modify this, okay, in this part here, so this is equals to integral e to the negative x over e to the negative x plus 1 with respect to the x. And then we already know that e to the negative x, okay, from here e to the negative x times dx equals to du. So as mentioned here, this is the same as this term here. E to the negative x equals to du. So the term there become du only over the bottom part is equivalent to u. Oops. So in this case, the integral, we need to, I keep forgetting that the integral of the derivative of u negative x become negative e to the x, okay, negative e to the x, and therefore this is equivalent to negative negative, this is also negative, and then this is also negative. Oh, this is not negative, okay, this is not negative, this one is negative, and therefore this is equivalent, same as negative, ln u plus c as the answer, or equivalent negative ln, which is u equals to e to the negative x plus 1, and then plus c, a constant, as the answer. Okay, this plus 1 is constant, so that will be the answer for this particular integral. So let's do another one. Integral of 1 over 1 plus square root of x dx. So we, in this case, we can try to substitute u equals to 1 plus square root of x, and the derivative of that, okay, with respect to x, is this is the same as 1 plus x to the power of half, and therefore the derivative is simply half, 1 is 0, half times x to the power of negative half, or equals to 1 over, because half is simply square root, okay, square root x. So you can say that the x, if moving the x to the right hand side, okay, the x to the right hand side, and then move the u, maintain the u. Okay. This will become 2 square root of x du. So simply by moving dx to the right hand side and then 2 square root of x to the left hand side here, become 2 square root of x du. And then at the same time, from here, from here we can also say that square root of x equals to u minus 1. So we try to put everything not in terms of x anymore, but in terms of u. So dx equals to 2 square root of x become 2 times u minus 1 du. Okay, so now we are ready to replace all the x in the equation. 1 over 1 plus square root of x dx equals to integral. So dx here mentioned that dx equals to 2 times u minus 1 du over, the question was 1 plus square root of x, which is equivalent to u. So we can, if we want, this is integral of, same as integral of u minus with respect to du minus integral. So I just simply multiply 2 with that one and then 2 with that one. Okay, negative 2, we just this is equivalent to integral, this is integral 2 plus du, because u and u in the bottom get cancelled. So now we have negative 2 over u, negative 2 integral 1 over u du, same thing. So now we have integral 2 is equal, will be 2u, and then 1 over u is become negative 2 ln u, and then plus c. So we can put the u back. Let's not using c at the time, let's just use letter k because we have a constant here. Okay, so 2 times u equals to 1 plus square root of x, negative 2 ln 1 plus square root of x plus k. So because now we have two constant, 2 plus 2 square root of x, negative 2 ln 1 plus square root of x plus k. So now we can combine this constant and this constant with a new constant that we call capital C. So this is equivalent to 2 square root of x minus 2 ln 1 plus square root of x plus capital C, with capital C equal to 2 plus k. So that's the answer for this particular problem. Okay, let's try another questions. Integral of sine square of 6x plus 7. We can let the u equals to 6x plus 7, and the derivative of the u with respect to x is simply 6, or du equals to 6 dx. Let's see, let's proceed. And therefore the question will become the integral of sine square 6x plus 7 is u. Okay, and or this is apparently this is better change to dx 1 over 6. Okay, dx equals to, so let me write down here dx, and delete this one. Dx equals to 1 over 6 du. So now we already know that dx in this original equation there can be replaced with 1 over 6 du. So we can get the du over there and then 1 over 6 out. And then maintain that, except we're going to change the square in this case to become using a trigonometry identity. so that it is become addition or subtraction, because it's more difficult to take the integral of sine square u du. Oh, we can with 1 over 3, yeah, 1 over, we can take we can take the integral of that to be 1 over 6 equals to 1 over 6 1 over third, okay, times 1 over third. Integral sign will be cos, then it become cos cube u plus c. So this is going to be more difficult or longer, but the other way of doing that will be to use u substitution. Okay, so by doing u substitution, the equation will become 1 over 6 integral times half, because the integral is, sorry, the identity is sine square, let's say sine square alpha equals to half of 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Okay, so in this case it's sine square u, so we have the half already out. Okay, and then we only have 1 minus cos 2 u with respect to du. So we have 1 over 12 integral 1 minus cos 2u, and the whole thing is du. And now we can proceed directly. Okay, we can straight away proceed. Integral of, maintain the 12 out, integral of 1 with respect to u will become u, okay, minus integral of cos 2u will be half sine 2u, okay, half sine 2u plus a constant. So in here we can substitute u equal to 6x plus 7, so 1 over 12 6x plus 7 minus half sine 2 6x plus 7. So proceed. We can take the 2 out, so it become 1 over 24, and then double the equation here, put 2 there. 2 there will become 2 of 6x plus 7 minus sine 2 sine 12x plus 14, and proceed with 1 over 24 12x plus 14 minus sine 12x plus 14. So we have 12x plus 14 and sine 12x plus 14 plus let me see, x plus 14. We don't use c here, but we can use k. Okay, so we can proceed this by 1 over 24 times 12x minus sine 12x plus 14 as the answer, plus C, with C being the initial constant there. Okay, plus 7/12 then. Okay, I think that's the answer set. Okay.